Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to install, of course, free VPN application on your SONY Xperia Mark IV device. So, firstly, we need to open Google Chrome browser and check how websites see our location now. So type 2ip.io website, or you can check your IP using similar websites. I'm using 2ip.io website because it's very simple to use. So as you can see, 2ip.io shows that I'm in Poland, and it's correct when it's true. But now open Play Store and find any free VPN applications. It can be VPN Hub or Turbo VPN. I'm using Turbo VPN. So find Turbo VPN, find an app with a rabbit on the icon and install it. But you need to know that if you use free VPN services, free VPN services doesn't protect your private data, so don't use it to watch content that can't be visible for others, because it's not too private. So just open Turbo VPN, click on the cross on the left top corner, and cool. As you can see, we have a globe icon on the top right corner, so click on it. As you can see here, we have all the list with all countries we can connect to. For example, I want to connect to, if I want to connect to United Kingdom, I can choose Kingdom and choose London, or London with the crown. If you will choose a crown icon, if you will choose city with crown, you will need to pay for it. So I suggest to use only free servers on TurboVPN, because if you want to use paid VPN servers, I suggest to use by TurboVPN, not TurboVPN, but NordVPN subscription, or I don't know, TunnelBear, but not TurboVPN. So choose the server you want to connect to, click OK, and cool, I successfully connected. So let's check it. Just reload 2ip.io website, and as you can see, I'm in United States, not in England. So let's try another server. Wait a while. Let's try another server. TikTok ads, oh my gosh. So we can choose another server. For example, I want to connect to Germany. So click Frankfurt and reload page now. I'm in France. Okay, it's working, but not so good, as you can see. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.